we have here, guys, is a fraction, and with the fraction we have to fully factorize the top and the bottom first. What can we take out of the top part? 4, and what's left over? X minus 3, okay? Now what about the next one? X squared plus 1x take away 12. What can we take out here? Two numbers that multiply to give you minus 12, but add to give you 1. Yes. Plus 4 and minus 3. You don't have to do it the long way, do you? You can't. You can just lob for when it's just an x squared. You can just lob in the answer. But to keep everything the same, we'll do it the long way. So eventually you'll learn is that when it's an x squared, you can just go directly into the answer. But what did you do, Charlie? X squared plus 4x. Yeah, that's all right. And then x into and yeah. And you see you end up with the same answer, don't you? Everybody okay with that? Now, so what do I put underneath? X plus 4 and what cancels? And then your answer is 4 over. Am I allowed to cancel the plus 4s? Because you need an x plus 4 to cancel the x plus 4, right? So it's different. They're different numbers, so you're not allowed to cancel them off each other. So that's a 4. All right, move on. So I've done 16. Next one I'm up is somebody wants me to do 21 and 24. Is that correct? All right. Now, in 21, what can we take out? We can't take anything on the top, but on the bottom there's A, B, and A, B, B. So what do you say you want to take out? A, B, and what's left over? A plus B. Check your answer, just multiply it back out for a second. A times AB is A squared B, and AB times B is AB squared. I'm happy. Now what can we say about the AB top and bottom? This is A multiplied by B. This is A multiplied by B, and then it multiplies by A plus B. So they're both multiplication, which means they can cancel. And what's our answer? 3 over A plus B. Everybody okay with that? Now, who got that out? Do we have it? Yeah. You guys didn't have 24 for homework, did you? All right. So I'm going to do 24 and 27 as a demonstration, and then we'll let you loose on them. Now, does anybody remember the difference between multiplication and division of fractions? What's the difference between 2/3 multiplied by 5/7 versus 2/3 divided by 5/7? Yes, sir. Yeah, and you just get 10 over 21. Top multiplied by top, bottom multiplied by bottom. No, that's for addition and subtraction. Just turn the 7 over 5 over 7 upside down, and what you get instead? 2/3 multiplied by, and the answer this time is 14 over 15. Is that all right? So what do you think the difference is between question 23 and 24? Yes, sir. In 24, you have to flip the second one upside down. Huh? Yeah, it's already multiplication. In 22 and 23, it's already multiplication. But in 24, you have to turn the second one upside down. Everybody cool with that? Now, here's the real key trick to doing these questions well. You don't need a common denominator because you're not adding or subtracting, all right? If that was a plus instead of a divide by sign, what would you have to do then? You'd have to find a common denominator. Oh, do you know if I'm back? Awesome. So, what you're going to do is you're going to turn the second one upside down. So what does it turn into? Y plus 3 over 2x minus 1. Is the first part fully factorized? What can you take out of 8x minus 4? 4 into 2x minus 1. And then underneath, what can you take out of 2y plus 6? Huh? 2. And then what numbers are the same? Top and bottom, what numbers are the same? Y plus 3 is the same as the other y plus 3. The 2x minus 1 is the same as the other 2x minus 1. Answer is 4 over 2, which is 2. And you're done. Alright, do 27 when you're done. Do 27 to go. Yes. They can cancel each other. Yeah. Once it's multiplication, Isaac. Call out what you're talking about. Yeah. Yeah. That's the same thing as 5 divided by 5. The answer is 1. Any number divided by itself is 1. Now, guys, turn the second part upside down because you're dividing. So this part here needs to be turned upside down. Everybody cool with that? We have to factorize everything. So at the moment, have I factorized anything yet? Haven't factorized a single item yet, have I? So factorize the top, what you get? 2. Yeah. 2 numbers to add to give you 8, but multiply to give you 15. On the bottom, there's the difference of, so x plus 3 and, okay, factorize out x, and you're left with x minus 3, and then after that, y into, okay, now look at this, x plus 5 and x plus 5, x minus 3 and x plus 3 and x plus 3, that's what Isaac was asking me earlier, and your answer is x over y. Alright guys, you guys are going to try 22, 23, 25, 26. Fast now. And I did, what did I do? I did 16, 21, 24 and 27.